Today we will be going to do block number 1, sexual reproduction in plants. So LP1 is reproductive parts of flower. What is our aim over here? To learn about the different parts of flower along with their function. First keyword is dissect. Dissect means to cut something. Reproduction, a process by which new individuals called offsprings are produced from their parents. Let's watch the video.
These are the materials needed for the dissection. The outer parts of a flower are the sepals and petals. The male reproductive organ of a flower is called the stamen. The female reproductive organ of a flower is called the pistil.
Let's do the generalized discussion. What are the function of male and female reproductive parts of flower? The male reproductive part is stamen, which consists of filament and anther. The filament hold the anther while the anther produce a powder-like substance called pollen grains. Each pollen grain contains the male cells. Pistil. The female reproductive part contains stigma, style, ovary and ovules. Stigma is the place where pollen land during pollination. The style joins the stigma to the ovary and allows the pollen to pass through. The ovary of pistil has the ovules that contain the female cells. Let's do the hot discussion. How are unisexual flowers different from the bisexual flowers? So unisexual flowers have only one reproductive part like the male or female. That is, they are only having the stamen or the pistil part. And bisexual flower, they are having the both male or female reproductive part like stamen and pistil both in the same flower. Now let's do the LP2, that is pollination. What is our aim over here? To differentiate between self and cross pollination. So the keywords are pollination, the transfer of pollen from male part to the female part of the flower. Pollinators, these are the agents that helps in the pollination like wind, water, animals, etc. Let's watch the video.
Pollination is the transfer of the pollen from anther to stigma. Pollination happens in two ways. Transfer of pollens from one plant to the stigma on another plant. Transfer of pollens to a stigma on the same plant.
What is generalized discussion over here? What is the main difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination? So in self-pollination, it occurs in the bisexual flower only and not in the unisexual flower. And cross-pollination, it can occur in both unisexual and bisexual flowers. Self-pollination, it can occur without any agent, means it does not need any agent to occur. And in cross-pollination, they always require the various agents of pollination like wind, water, insects, etc. Hot discussion. How do the agents of pollination such as wind and animals help in pollination? We can carry pollens easily. Wind can carry pollen easily as they are light in weight and can be blown from one flower to another. Animals that help in the pollinations that are called pollinators. Most pollinators are attached to the flower because of their nectar. Nectar is the juice of flower. As the pollinators move from flower to flower to collect the nectar for food, the pollens from the stamen and they get stuck to its body and transfer from one flower to another. Thank you.